it's your girl Fav back at it with another video. Actually, this is my first video, but welcome. I am so excited. So today I am going to show you how to do passion twists without using rubber bands, okay? But before we start, I just wanted to say I am a Dublin braider, so if you want to get your hair done, you should go check my Instagram. It's Fav Braids, so I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description. Anyways, we're gonna start with me. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. This is the blow dryer I use, the Revlon, I don't know the name of it. I'm gonna leave the link to this blow dryer down below in the description. The hair I'm gonna use, I got this on Amazon. This is water wave something. It's 24 inches. It came in 7 packs. I recommend you should get it, so I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description, so you should go check it out. Yeah, I'm gonna blow dry first, then I'll continue tomorrow and I'll show you guys how I even braid my hair myself, because I have a technique. For the girlies who braid their hair themselves, you know it's not easy. It is not. So I'm gonna show you my technique, and if you have any techniques as well of yours, let me know. I am excited to know. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna let the blow dryer warm up a bit first. In the meanwhile, I'm going to divide my hair into sections, and I start from the back because you always start from the back. I'm gonna use this super stretchful bobbin. If you want to get this, let me know. Mix me down. Okay, so I'll start with this section and then I'll probably skip to when I'm done with everything. To the roof of the coupe, let's see the sky. They thought I'm sweet and I'm a rapper, let's sky. I told my nigga no ticks, the cuts have got to pay the price. They stab my name. Okay guys, so this is the first section done. You know what? I'm probably gonna come back when I'm done with my whole head because I don't want to waste too much time. So yeah, I will see you when I am all done. See ya. Hey guys, so I'm done. Wow, my hair is really long. I never realized. That's why I keep it in protective styling. Wow, this is my hair. This is my crown, guys. But anyways, it's 10:30 right now, so I don't think I'm gonna start with the party. I'm gonna braid these and keep it in for the night. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down. Youngers want my spot and couple olders hate me. I ain't getting booed or grey, I'm young and wavy. Broke something I don't wanna ever be. Damn, my bonnet is not here. I thought my bonnet was gonna be here. It is guys. There's my bonnet. So anyways guys, so I'm ready to sleep. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. What's up y'all? It's the next day. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the method. I'm gonna show you how I set up my mirrors. Okay, so doing your hair yourself will be a lot easier if you have a window. As you can see, this is my window. So I put a mirror at the window, and then you have to put a mirror somewhere else, doesn't matter where. This is my hair stuff, by the way. Okay, so I pretty much waffled here, but I was trying to say that you need to put the mirrors opposite each other, and then you need to sit in a way that you can see both sides of your head. Yeah guys, that is basically how I'm gonna be working my way through with dividing my hair into sections. We're gonna take this braid down first. My camera is broken, by the way. I am filming with my phone and a bit of my front screen, like front camera, is broken right there. I'm so sorry guys. The comb I use is reptile comb, has iron or whatever. Okay guys, so in this clip I was trying to explain how I pre-part my hair, but I completely butchered it. I have no clue. I don't even understand myself what I said. So what I'm trying to explain is that I pre-parted my hair roughly with my fingers from one ear to the other, and then I'm taking my reptile comb and I'm making the line straighter thanks to my 2 mirrors. I can see what I'm doing, and yeah, basically I'm trying to pre-part the first section from one ear to the other, to give the hair a bit of structure, you know. Okay guys, so that first section, I think it's pretty much straight. Side eye. It looks straight to me. I don't know about you guys. You tell me. We're gonna divide this whole thing into 3 rows and we'll start from there. So I forgot to say in the clip, but this is my first row. I'm gonna start with dividing this first row in 4 sections and we'll just start from there because I'm waffling too much. As you can see, I took some braiding gel and I put it on the section I'm not going to be working on so it doesn't mess up or unravel. I'm just twisting to secure it so I can start working on that section instead. Now I'm putting the hair gel on the section I am working with, and what I'm doing is I'm dividing the hair into 3 sections, and I always make sure the section in the middle has no hair, and I'll explain to you why in a second. Okay, so this is the hair, a dark brown, and it goes into light. See this loop? I'm gonna hold this loop and pull the hair and it's gonna separate. To give the hair more of like a knotless look, you're gonna want to put the curly extensions underneath the hair, and then see the 2 strands that were smaller than the middle. You're gonna put those with the curly extensions, and the middle section will have no extensions because since it's thick enough, it's able to support itself. And then you just keep braiding your way down. After having braided to a certain point, you're going to want to take your middle piece, that same piece that did not have any extensions, that same piece that had more hair than the other 2, you're going to want to divide it into 2, and that's where you begin your twist. You see this little hoop right here? Yeah, you take it and you pull so it separates the 2 strands automatically. Here I'm literally just repeating the same process that I did before, and this is the same thing I will be doing for every single section. This is how far I've come. There's just me braiding my day away while watching Alyssa Howard, even though you can't really see it, but yeah, she's great. Okay guys, so basically I'm almost done. I've got this front section and it will take me ages to finish, you know? I have to go to work tomorrow. I don't know what to do. So I've got an idea. I'm gonna finish this row. I'm gonna wear a beanie or something. I'm gonna wear a hat or a scarf, something like that to cover up my hair. And no one's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. So guys, basically, this is how far I've gone with my hair. I know I said I was gonna go to sleep and just wear a beanie, but I'm not gonna do that. I decided I'm gonna something all-nighter. Yeah, I'm gonna pass an all-nighter, spend an all-nighter, do an all-nighter, pull an all-nighter. That's it. You're gonna go to work looking like a zombie, but that's fine. Guys, I'm right now. I'm not done my hair. I did not sleep at all. I literally sleep off while I'm walking. I feel like a zombie right now. Right lads, so this is after work. I came home and I went straight back to doing my hair. I am showing you guys this process from the front because I feel like you can see it at the front section better. So what I'm doing is, of course, I'm dividing the hair into 3 sections, of course making sure that the middle section is thicker than the 2 side sections. Now you're gonna want to take the extensions and put it underneath the hair because that's really the only way I can do it. You do it however you can, and make sure that the 2 pieces of extensions are with the small pieces of hair. As you can see, the thick one is on its own because it can support itself, and then you just start braiding from there. Okay, so after braiding, at some point you're going to want to take that same middle strand and divide it into two. And when you divide the hair into two to start your twist, you twist both strands individually into, like, you swirl it or twirl it, whatever. You twirl it until it's well formed, and then you start with the twist. Okay, so I'm showing you guys the process just one more time, just in case you haven't understood. I need to make sure you understood this, okay? So as I said before, divide in 3 sections. Make sure that the middle one does not have the extension, and make sure it's thicker than the other 2, and just braid your way, braid, and there you go. And then at some point you get the 2 strands, you twist them individually and twirl them, and then you start with your twist, and there you go. Right guys, so this video has come to an end. These are the end results, and I think they look lovely. If you learned something, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna leave all my socials in the descriptions down below as well. Thank you for watching. Bye. Can you focus?